system copy and system refresh. What is the difference between system copy and system refresh?
System copy is done through export import method. System
Mm-hmm.
refresh is done through backup and restore method.
Okay. Other than this, hmm?
Yeah.
Think logically. System copy means you are installing a new fresh installation using export import method.
Yeah.
System refresh means you are doing a backup restore method, means already systems are running.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Already systems are running means what? Already systems are installed. System refresh means the existing system source and target are running. Just we are taking a source system backup and we are doing a restore into the target system.
Okay. Okay. Clear.
Think logically whether it is possible or not. Then you can easily remember the points.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So in system copy, we have two methods are there: homogeneous system copy and heterogeneous system copy. Okay, homogeneous system copy means move or copy same operating system and same database platform. Okay, homogeneous system copy means it's the same operating system, same database system, same database platform. Whereas a heterogeneous system copy, different operating system and different database platforms. For example, this is my source system. Okay, in source system, I have an operating system Windows, database is Oracle. Okay, and SAP version is ECC6 ESP1. Now I want to build a new system. Okay, using export import method. And my target also same environment: Windows operating system, Oracle database, SAP ECC6 with EHP1. This is my source and this is my target. Okay, so my operating system and database platform is same. Then I'm doing which method I'm using? System copy method, export import method, correct? So this is called homogeneous system copy. Homogeneous system copy. For
So both
example, when both operating system and database platforms are same.
yeah, yeah.
For example, I want to build another system using export import method.
Your versions will also be same. SAP versions.
Yes, always same.
Okay.
SAP version is different than database, data will be different, so it will not compatible. Here my operating system is, for example, Linux, or I can change my database to HANA. And my SAP version is ECC 6 EHP1. This is my source and this is my target. Here what has been changed? Either operating system can be changed or database platform can be changed, correct?
Yeah.
This is also I'm doing export import method only, but this type of export import method we call it as a heterogeneous system copy. This is homogeneous system copy, this is heterogeneous system copy. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have two different types of system copies, either homogeneous and heterogeneous. In homogeneous, your operating system and database platform is same, source and target. In heterogeneous, your operating system or your database platform may be different in source and target. Got it?
Yeah. Either homogeneous or heterogeneous SAP versions are also same.
SAP versions always same.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. So we will see how we can do a system refresh.
Okay.
In real-time scenarios, generally system refresh will be done from production to quality or from production to sandbox. Production to quality, production to sandbox. Okay. Why system refresh will be done from production to quality and production to sandbox? Because in production system we have a live business data. Okay. In quality, actually in quality system, what type of data will be there? In quality system, we have a test data. Okay. What are the business scenarios are developed in the development system? Those scenarios will be moved to quality, and using some test data, they will do some testing in quality system. Okay. Whenever you are doing, you are testing a business scenario using test data in quality system, okay, the results are might be different whenever you are doing the same business scenario testing using with the live business data. Got my point?
Can you repeat, sir? Just the sentence.
One business scenario is there. That business scenario has been developed in development system. Okay, and that business scenario has been moved to quality system through transport request. Now my testing team, what they have done is using some test data, they have tested the business scenarios and it's worked fine. Now they moved the same business scenario from quality to production. Once the business scenario has been moved to production, in the sense what? That business scenario can be used by my end users across the world, right? Using a with business data, live business data, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So whenever my end users are using the same business scenario, okay, with the live business data, maybe the results are different. Okay, whenever you're testing a business scenario using a test data in quality system, whenever the same business scenario using by my end users in production system with live data, maybe the results are different. not accurate. Got my point? Not accurate means
Yeah.
what? In which system? In quality system only. Because
Yeah. Yeah.
I have tested with test data. It will behave
Test
like,
data.
it will behave differently. If I use same business scenario using live data in production system, maybe it will behave differently. Okay. So if I want to do testing with business data, where I can perform, in which system I can perform. I don't have a business live data in separate system. Okay, so in production system only I have a business live data, correct? But I cannot do testing in my production system. That is not allowed, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I want to do testing with business data, live business data, then what I need to do? I need to do a system refresh. Means I want to take a production data copy into quality system. Then what will happen? The production live data will be copied into the quality system. Now I have a business data in quality system also. So in quality system, I can do testing using with business data. Then I can get accurate results. I can get 100% results, correct? For that purpose only, the system refresh will be done. The system refresh activity will be done like every 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Either it is a production to quality or production to sandbox or something. That is a client's dependent, client's requirement. In general scenario, production to quality or production to sandbox will do system refresh. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is my production system. Now this is my quality system. Now what I need to do, I want to do a system refresh from production to quality. Generally think logically, in production system we have a users, correct? Quality system also we have a users, correct? These users are different and these users are different. Are you agree?
Yeah.
What is the difference in users wise?
Yeah. In production, only the live users will be there, and whereas in QAS, the test users
These are
will
the
also be
end
there.
users, correct?
Users. Yeah.
These
Test
are the
users.
test users. So whenever I'm doing a system refresh from production to quality, ultimately all these users will come here, correct?
Yeah.
These
Yes.
users also will come from production to quality, correct? These users
Yes.
also will be copied, correct? If these users are copied into quality, then what about test users? Do I need to create again? That is not a good practice, correct? So these users will be override, correct? Are you getting my point? So these users, we call it as a user master record. For these users, we call it as a user master record. Correct? User master record means what? Users data information, right? So whenever you are doing a system refresh from production to quality, ultimately the users of production system will be copied into the quality system. Correct? So in quality system, the test users also will be overwritten by production users. Correct? So after system refresh, I want only test users only. I don't want end users. I don't want production users into quality system. I want only quality users only I required. Right? Did you get my point? Hmm? Hello, what happened? For that purpose, we can take export of in QA system. First step. What is the first step? We can take export of user master record in quality system using SCC8 T code. Correct? In SCC8 T code, which profile we need to select? SAP underscore user profile. It means all user master records. Got it? This we have discussed in client export. How to take exports. Local client copy, remote client copy. Right? Did you get my point? Export of user master record, we can take it from quality system before starting a system refresh. I'm taking export of only user master records only. Okay. So whenever you are doing export using SCC8, then it will create three types of transport request: KO, KT, KX, right? Three types of TRs will be created: KO, KT, KX, right? Once done, after export, release the TR. Okay. And what will happen now? After system refresh, these users, after system refresh, these users will be overwrite into the quality system. Correct? Now, I want here only quality system users only. Revert back. I want a revert back. revert back to quality system users. So that purpose, what I have done before starting system refresh in quality system, I have taken a user master record export, and it has been created 3K TA transport request, and after export I have released the TR. Now what after system refresh, second step refresh has been completed. Third step, what I need to do, I need to import the TRs. What TRs? KO, KT, KX, TRs into quality system. So ultimately I will get quality system users into quality system only. Did you get my point? So what are the export has been taken before starting system refresh? SAP user master record export has been taken before starting a system refresh. So that export I will do
Sir,
import.
sorry to
Okay,
sorry to interrupt you. Yeah, I actually lost the session and I reconnected.
okay. Anyway, session is recording, right? No problem.
Okay.
What I'm telling is, in system refresh, users will be overrated production to quality. After system refresh, I want quality
Yes.
users only. I don't want the production users. So before starting system refresh, for that purpose, what I am doing is I'm taking a user master record export in quality system. Before starting system refresh
Okay.
activity, taking user master record export in quality system using SCC8 T code. We have discussed
Okay.
SCC8 these transactions in client administration like local client copy, client export, import methods.
Yes.
So SAP user profile, SAP underscore user profile. What it contains? It contains all the user master records will be exported. Whenever this export is doing, so it will create a three types of transport requests: KO, KT, KX. So after export has been completed, we need to release the TR. So second step is system refresh activity. So we can perform a system refresh activity. Next, after system refresh, and the last, what I need to do, what is the export has been taken, those need to be import into the same transport, the same quality system. Then what will happen? So ultimately, I will get all quality system users into my same quality system. So I have all the users are revert back into my quality system. Got it? So this is what how we can take export of quality system users, and after refresh we can do an import of quality system users. Okay, so this where I'm doing, this is my target system, correct? So this is source system, and this is target system. So first activity, what I need to do, I need to do in a target system. What is the activity? Export of user master record. Export, taking export of a user master record in target system. Right? Now, so this is the major step. All steps are major only. This is the first step. Now here see, whenever you are doing a system refresh from production to quality, what are the uh, information is there in production, like what are the RFCs are created, what are the printers are created, huh? Right? What are the logon groups are created, all will be copied into quality system, correct? In quality system also we have logon groups are there, and printers are there,
Yeah.
RFCs are there, but all will be overwrite into quality system, correct? For example, small example, here 10 RFCs are there, 10 printers are there. Hmm? Here in quality system, 5 RFCs are there. These are the different RFCs, and the 5 printers are there. These are the different printers. What will happen? After my system refresh, these 10 RFCs and 10 printers will be overwrite into quality system, correct? But after system refresh, I don't want these 10 RFCs, these 10 printers in quality system. Why? Because those are production system related. It will not work here. I want old 5 RFCs. What are the RFCs are created in my quality system? I want to revert back, and I want what are the printers are configured in my quality system. Those old printers configuration I want to revert back. Got my point? This is the example. What I am saying is example. Correct? So for that purpose, if I want to revert back to old values like old RFCs, means old means what? Before refresh, what are the RFCs are there? Before refresh, what are the printers are there? Before refresh, what are the logon groups are there? Correct? So like this, what are the information is there in quality system? I want the same information revert back after system refresh also, right? Did you get my point? For example, here ABC RFC has been created. Here XYZ RFC has been created. What will happen after refresh? ABC RFC will come here, correct? But this is ABC RFC will not work here. Why? Because this is applicable for production system only, not quality
Yes, sir.
system. So again, I want XYZ RFC after refresh, correct?
I will
This
just
is
listen,
what
sir.
I
Some
want
disturbance
revert
in my
back.
internet.
Sorry?
I will be listening because there is some internet issue from my side.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
XYZ RFC, I revert back after refresh. This is one example. What I am saying is, right? So what we'll do is, for that purpose, okay, what we are doing is, here, what are the RFCs are there, printers, logon groups, all the information will be stored in a table levels, in tables only, correct? There are different types of tables are there. The RFCs will be stored in different tables, printers will be stored in different table, logon groups are stored in like a different table, like different tables are there. Okay, what we need to do is, we can create one transport request In that transport request, we can take a tables export, because all this information is storing in a tables only. So we can create one transport request. In that transport request, what are the tables are there, which table information I required after refresh. After refresh, which table information is required, I can take those table names. Okay, I can take a table export into transport request. Why I'm taking export into the transport request? Why I'm taking a table export into the transport request? If I taken a table export into transport request, okay, once export has been done, if I release the transport request, okay, after system refresh, if I imported the same transport request into my quality system, then what will happen? I can get old values again. It will revert back to old values. Got my point? Before system refresh only, I am taking a table exports. What type of tables I required. After system refresh, I am again re-importing the transport request into the same quality system. Means I will get old values again. Correct? So this is the major part. Otherwise, quality information, quality details, sorry, otherwise production details will be override into the quality system. I don't want production printers, production RFCs here, because I want quality system RFCs only, because quality system I have created different RFCs, different printers to testing purpose. So if I want to revert back the old values, what we need to do before starting refresh only in target system, what table information is required again after refresh. Those tables we can take a export into one transport request. How? What is the procedure? This is the technical procedure. First of all, you can create a transport request using SE01T code. Go to SC01, create and select transport of copies and click on yes. Now you will now double click on the request. Okay. So this is the request is creating. Whenever you double click on the request, then this screen will be appear. Go to objects. Here the object names. Here we need to provide the table names. What table information you required after system refresh, those table names you need to provide here. Okay, so once that is done, so what will happen, all these tables information will be stored in one transport request. I will tell you what are the tables export you need to take it. Okay, so after system refresh, we can re-import the transport request. What are the transport request has been created here? The transport request we can re-import into the system, same system. Then we can get old values. Before system refresh, what are the values are there? Those values only we will get it. Those RFCs, those printers only we will get it. Correct? So this is the procedure how we can do a system refresh activities. We will discuss the remaining topic. We will discuss on tomorrow. Tomorrow same time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow same time we will continue, and tomorrow we will complete the system refresh.
Can we see this part in practically, sir?
Uh, We'll try. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Have a time. We will try. Okay. Otherwise, I will tell
Yeah.
you, and you can do practically.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll meet same
Yes.
time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.